Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have your tools, now start wiring them together. Open your terminal in the project folder, run git init to create the local repo, then git add. And git commit m, initial commit to snapshot the app. Once done, connect to the remote by copying the repo's SSH or HTTPS address. You'll use that for git remote add origin. Make sure Flutter Doctor shows no blocking issues before pushing code so the remote will build cleanly. Now you push changes and establish your workflow. If you used HTTPS, authenticate when prompted. If SSH, ensure your key is added to GitHub, otherwise the push will fail. Run git push uOrigin main to publish the main branch and confirm on GitHub that commits appear. When you start features, create a branch with git checkout b, then commit frequently. This keeps history clean and lets you open pull requests. Make sure you pull before pushing to avoid merge conflicts. Finish by automating and collaborating. Add a simple GitHub Actions workflow to run Flutter test and Flutter build on each push so you catch issues early. Open pull requests from feature branches and wait for CI to pass before merging. This prevents regressions. If a push fails or remote is missing, verify git remote v, re-add the correct URL, and confirm authentication. If branches are out of sync, run git fetch and git pull rebase. Then resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.